Hello guys, this is your English teacher Shivam Chobe. I hope you all are fine there. So guys, we will going to discuss about our next. We finished our line in this page, and after that we are going to discuss about this. Connie Fridge won 2 goals to 1, but as Hans Wolf generously said, our goal was wider than theirs, so that wasn't quite fair. Means फ्रिट्ज वॉन यानी कि फ्रिट्ज जीते 2 goals to 1, 1/2 के फासले से फ्रिट्ज जीत गए. बट हैंस वुल्फ, what said the Hans Wolf? Hans Wolf says that our goal was wider, means something temper, that is wider. So that is the fact to their loss. This is our goal is wider, that is the fact that we lost there. After that, the time came, and all too soon, when the game was finished. that time will be came when the game will be finished, यानी वो समय आ गया जब खेल खत्म हो गया. The snaps and the room and the sauces had long since run out, and we knew it was all over. That's snaps, rums and sauces. Long run out यानी लंबे समय तक रन आउट, मीन्स एट अ लॉन्ग टाइम दे रनिंग विद अ लॉन्ग टाइम से वो लोग क्या कर रहे थे, दौड़ में लगे थे. एंड वी न्यू इट वॉज ऑल ओवर, एंड वी ऑल्सो नो दैट इट इज़ ऑल ओवर द गेम. मतलब ये सारा ये गेम का हिस्सा है, वो सभी जानते थे कि यही गेम का हिस्सा है. बिकॉज आई विस्ड हैंस वेल एंड टोल्ड हिम आई होप he would see his family again soon. Then the narrator said to the Hans that you can say, man, your family soon. You can soon meet your family again. That the fighting would end and we could all go home. And after that, that fight will be going to be ended and they all going to be their homes. I think that is what एवरी सोल्जर वॉन्ट्स. मैं सोचता हूँ कि वो सब है जो एक सोल्जर चाहता है. ऑन बोथ साइड्स हैंस वोल्फ सैड टेक केयर जिम मैकफर्सन मीन्स दोनों तरफ से बोले जा रहे थे बट टेक केयर. दैट जिम मैकफर्सन को इनकी हैंस वोल्फ की तरफ से बोला जा रहा था, टेक केयर मैकफर्सन. I shall never forget this moment. Ever I cannot be forget this. The poet want to say, nor you or nahi tum. He saluted and walked away from me slowly, unwillingly. I felt he turned to wave just once and then became one of the hundreds of grey coats man drifting back toward their trances. Means इसके बाद what happened, slowly वो उन narrator की तरफ वो they walking away unwillingly to the narrator, and every grey coats are going to their trances. Trances means the area where soldiers are standing to secure their country from enemies. So वो अपने trances में चले गए. That night, back in our dugout, we heard them singing a carol. Carol is a type of song which is sang by them, and singing quite beautifully. बहुत ही सुंदर से शांति से गा रहे थे. It was silent night. Our boys gave them a rousing chorus of while Shepherd watched. Means they are quietly sing a song because of they are they have giving a chorus by the against their teams, and also सैफोर्ड वॉच एंड क्या कर रहे थे, वो बहुत ही उत्सुकता से देख रहे थे. वी exchanged we exchanged quarrels from while then we all fell silent. We had our time of peace of goodwill. Means the poet and their teams has a sufficient time for express their goodwill. उनके goodwill के express करने का उनके पास quite well time था. A time I treasure as long as I live. Means a time in which he can live their whole life as a treasure. Okay, then when treasure means that moment in which you can live your whole life you can live, that is the treasure. Understand? After that, the next dearest Connie. Connie is that person from whom this letter will be written. By Christmas time next year, this war will be nothing but distant and terrible memory. I know from all that happened today how much both armies long for peace. Means next Christmas it cannot be happened, but the memory is always living in our mind, and also it will be completely living in our mind. And this both armies are going in a moment of peace for a long time, and after that we shall together again soon. I am sure for it. हम साथ होंगे, फिर से एक बार साथ होंगे, इसके लिए मैं बहुत ही श्योर हूँ, यानी बहुत ही विश्वास है मुझे इस पर. योर लविंग जिम, like you write in your letter like that, here is written your loving Jim. Understand, guys? So after that, here is questions. These questions are completely related to your assignment, so you have to do these questions, and the questions are coming in your assignments. You can check your assignment section. Understand? Thank you, guys. Well done.